Hello guys, welcome. Creating chart is one of the most important aspect of Microsoft Excel. The more dynamically you can create a chart, the more better you can make. As comparative to the previous versions or the previous releases of Microsoft Excel, the chart has now become more compatible. You can share the chart in Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint by simply copy and pasting. To know more about the charts, you can go into the help option by clicking F1, and here you can see the chart option available. Click on that and it will give you access to the entire details about the charts. So I go inside and you can see the overview of charting. You can see it provides the entire details about the chart. I click on cancel. And now let us create a new chart from the start. Let me delete this, and now we will create a new chart. In order to create a new chart, all you have to do is select the raw data, and then you have to go into the ribbon, that is the insert tab, and the option you will find is the charts option in the chart subgroup. There are 11 types of charts available over here. One is the column, line, pie, bar, area, scattered. Other chart options you have is the stock, surface, donut, bubble, and radar. So these are the 11 types of charts. Depending on your data, you can select any of the chart that you prefer. For now, this data of mine, I select the pie chart, and when I click on the pie chart, you can see there are two options available in the pie chart, and the chart is available. I just put it aside. Okay, when I click on this chart, the contextually sensitive tab appears over here. When I click on the chart, you can see design, layout, and format are the three tabs which are the contextually sensitive tab that appear, which helps to make this chart more dynamic. So let us see. First is in the design tab, you can see the option chart styles. If you click on the drop down, it will provide you access to ample number of chart styles that you want. I select this style and the style is applied now. So you can select any number of style that you want from the chart styles. Further is the chart layout option. You can change the layout of this chart by clicking the layout that you want. For now, I select this one, which is the default one. So this is the chart layout. Whichever you prefer, you can. Next is if you want to save this chart, you like this chart and you want to save this as a template so that you can access this type of chart later. So you can go into the save as template option, and there you can name this chart. For now, as of now, I will name this as the product chart. And I click on save so that I can access it later. I click on save and then I click on change chart type. When I click on change chart type, in the templates option, you can see the chart which I saved just now is ready for me to access. I can click on it and click on OK so that I can access it later. If I want to change this chart into some another chart type, I can select that and I can access those chart types. Okay, press undo. Okay. Now if you want to change this data, that is like there is data in some another location, you can simply change the data by going into the design tab and click on select data, and here you can give the range of that particular area. So I will show you how to select this. Press backspace, collapse, and then you select the data where it is located and press enter. So this way you can change the data that you want. Further, if I want this chart to move into some another location, you can click on move chart option and you can dedicate an entire new sheet for this chart, or you can move this chart into some another sheet. For now, you can click on new sheet and I will name product chart and I click on OK. So you can see an entire new sheet has been dedicated for this chart. Further, we will check out the layout and the format tab, what these two tabs does for our charting. Till then, you can try this and we move on to the next tutorial.